I just got back from an intense workout, so I'm going to make some post-workout high protein buffalo chicken French fries. And I don't have any hot sauce, so I'm going to have to make some from scratch. So I'm going to use probably about a cup of rice wine vinegar. I'm using seasoned rice wine vinegar. That might give it a little more flavor. That's probably good right there. And I'm going to use a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to use some fresh cracked pepper. And then I'm going to use some already ground black pepper, just because that grinder is a little hard to use. And then I'm going to use about a teaspoon of garlic powder and about a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. And about 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to stir that up. Give it a little taste. This is totally optional, but I think it needs a little more cayenne, so I'm going to add another tablespoon. Now I'm going to get my chicken and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now I'm going to put the lid on the Tupperware, shake it up, and let it marinate in the fridge for half an hour. Now I'm going to cut some potatoes for fries. I have 6 potatoes here. I'm just going to leave the skin on because that's more fiber. And I think I'm going to make large wedge fries. That just sounds more appealing to me. I need to preheat my oven to 450. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, about 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Mix that up. Then lay out a baking sheet and spread out the potatoes. Alright, now I'm going to stick the fries in the oven and let them cook for 30 minutes. While those fries are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and grate about a cup of cheddar cheese. So now I'm going to start grilling my chicken breast on my Foreman grill and spraying it down with some buttery spray. And then I'm going to just place it on the grill. And I think I'm going to even sprinkle that with a little Cajun seasoning too. Just get it really nice and seasoned. I have this pan here that I'm going to be making the fries in, and I'm going to spray that down with nonstick spray. Now that our fries are getting golden, I'm going to put those in the pan. I'm going to add a layer of cheese, and then I'm going to add a layer of blue cheese dressing. Looks like our chicken is grilled enough. So I'm I'm gonna get that chicken, put it on top. Then I'm going to top it with more blue cheese dressing, and then I'm going to top it with more cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to place this back in the oven for 15 minutes. Alright, let's pull out these fries and see what they look like. There's still a few minutes left on there, but I think they're pretty much done. Here's our buffalo fries. So cheesy and delicious. Yum, buffalo chicken fries.